Hello traders, and welcome to Hit the Mark Trading's daily TF Russell 2000 futures review. My name is Martin Rimes. Today's date, Tuesday, February 11, 2014. Want to ask you to please check out hitthemarktrading.com. While you're there, check out the different things we do. In addition to teaching trend and momentum techniques, going into a lot more detail than these 5-minute videos, I'm also showing people how to trade options professional style, but breaking it down into very simple concepts and building blocks. Okay? All right. Now, what is Rooster Call? Well, Rooster Call is my early morning note I send to clients, and I think today was a good one. But basically, I check the charts, I check the news, and I send a very brief synopsis. I send it to clients, and I'd like to send it to you for free. All right, good. Remember, everything that I mentioned in this video recording is for your educational purposes only. Please do not construe anything I mention as an offer to buy or sell any type of futures, options on futures, anything. All right, I do suggest you test these concepts on paper. Let's go to the charts. Now, well, goodness me, we talked about the daily TF was going to make a run up here. Remember that discussion? Check your files. We talked about it. Okay. And lo and behold, we're coming up to our profit window. Now, this is a very important juncture because we've got a trend going down and prices coming up, right? So, once we get a little bit higher, then we need to see if the trend is going to resume, which means fall down, or are we going to just make another retest or run up to 1160, right? Okay, so the critical thing here is what happens after price enters this box, okay? That's the critical issue here for us. Now, I don't know that I really need this one here, but I'll keep it, I guess. If we break above 1136, that tells me we're going to 1144 in a heartbeat, okay? But right now we're just trying to come up into this box. So I would suggest anyone who took any trades, when you get up into this box, I would suggest take profits, take partial profit at least, okay? Mission accomplished. All right, let's go to the weekly chart. And the weekly chart, well, gosh, we've noted how long the CCI indicator was above the zero line. In CCI parlance, the zero line is major support and resistance, right? And lo and behold, we reached down, we touched a moving average, and the trend is holding. So on a weekly chart, we need to see a move above this guy right here, above this red guy. A close above that. All right? Very good. Now, let's go to the intraday. Now, remember, I use a 10 range bar chart, okay? A 10 range bar chart. All right. Now, okay. Market opened up at 9:30, and it's so typical, okay? Where's 9:30? Let me get this straight. Okay. So since we were down, they immediately took it up. That's typical. And then we just kind of gyrated here. And things just kind of they seem to always settle down around 9:45. So pop, we go up to the floor pivot. And then all of a sudden we get all this chop stuff again. Okay. Frustrating, I know. And suddenly we start dropping. Get almost to the main floor pivot, come up to test, and then here's where we broke through and started the new trend. Okay. Now looking at tomorrow, here's what you need to do, in my opinion. Draw some lines. So let me see what I can do here. First off, I expect at some point we're going to retest the highs. That's number one. I just want to frame the action here. All right. Now, anything can happen overnight, but at this point, if we break down, then we're looking for an easy bet. We're going to go to the main floor pivot. And then it remains to be seen what happens next. If we continue falling down, all right, we're going to come to S1. All right. I would watch for a touch and a move higher, in which case we would run to this guy. Okay. All right. Obviously, there's a lot more to how I trade, but in this 5-minute video, this should raise your eyebrows and get you start looking, okay? All right. Very good. I'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye-bye now.